Hello friends, welcome back. In the design thinking journey, we are getting to the next level where we will discuss 10 tools for design thinking. But I am not going to discuss all these tools at a time. I will take 10 sessions for you to understand all these tools. We will start with it today and we will go on with 10 different tools, 10 different methods and techniques for you to make design thinking better. We start with visualization. It will go on to customer journey mapping, then value chain analysis, mind mapping, rapid concept development, assumption testing, rapid prototyping, customer co-creation, learning launches, and finally storytelling. We are going to discuss all of these and we will start with visualization. What is it? We always have sayings, right? A picture is worth 1,000 words. Seeing is believing. This is all absolutely true. More it is pictorial, more you can visualize, things will become better. So that's what is being used here in design thinking. Visualization is all about using images. It is not about drawing. Trust me, it's not about drawing. It's about visual thinking. You need to think beyond normal words or languages. You have to think beyond words or language alone. It's a way of unlocking a different part of our brains that can allow us to think non-verbally. It's going to be very creative. The purpose of visualization is very simple. It has to transform the abstract ideas into tangible forms. It should make you understand, evaluate and communicate things better. And there can be multiple forms of visualization. You can just draw sketches, diagrams, charts, physical models or digital mockups. Whichever you want, you can pick up based on the product that you are working on and the purpose. The design thinking actually encourages visualization based approach because it actually fosters and encourages collaboration. Visual elements can definitely make it easier for the team members to come closer and to discuss, iterate and to refine ideas. Also, simplifying the complex ideas is very easily doable with the visual thinking. By putting the ideas into the visual form, you can minimize the complexity that is involved in the process or the work that you are doing, and you can make it more accessible and more engaging. Also, more you go with visualization approach, you will naturally stimulate the creative thinking. Visualization actually inspires new ideas by encouraging people to see things from totally different perspective. That way, it's going to be super useful. Let's take a scenario. We are going to visualize the healthcare appointment booking process. We have got steps to be followed. I'm going to walk you through one step at a time and it's easy. Step 1. Define the goal. What is the goal? The goal is to understand the end-to-end journey of booking an appointment with a healthcare service provider and then identifying steps and opportunities to improve the patient experience. That's the most important thing that we are going to work on. Step 2. We need to list the key steps. The appointment booking journey will be broken down into multiple stages. Yes, we know it has got steps involved and I am going to list that out right now. First, you need to search for the providers. Second, selecting an appointment. Third, giving the patient details in terms of entering it. Confirming the appointment follows next. And finally, you have to receive appointment reminders. All these are the broken down stages for the process that we have considered. Step 3, we will have to visualize each of these steps. Yes, we have to enhance each step with a user-centered visualization approach. It's all user first, customer first. Searching for the providers. What are we going to do here? The patients search for the doctors, specifically by the specialty, the location or the reviews that they have gotten. You can visualize a very simple interface with filters and search options. That's all. Now, coming to the next level, selecting an appointment. A calendar view shows the available dates and times. That's the summary. The patient can go ahead and select a convenient slot. Now, visualize the calendar with available and unavailable slots clearly differentiated by different colors. That's all. Next, entering the patient details. The patients normally fill out a form with personal and medical details. Now, you have to visualize it. Visualize it as a straightforward, simple form which has got a layout with required fields which are clearly marked. No complexities, no ruckus. Now, confirming the appointment. Patients see the summary of the appointment details and then they will have to click confirm. Now, how do we visualize this? We need to visualize this as a confirmation page ensuring that it has captured all the key details and they should be clearly visible for you, right? It should be very viable, it should be visible, and people should be able to understand what is that. And finally, receiving appointment reminders. Patients receive an email or SMS reminders that carries the appointment time and instructions as well. You need to visualize a mock-up of a reminder notification. How simple can it be? How easy can it be for the people to understand? What are all the key details that it should capture? All these things can be visualized. So the entire flow is now visualized properly. You are visualizing right from the stage 1, where you have a very simple interface with proper filter options. Second, the calendar. Third, the patient entry details in the form. Fourth, appointment confirmation. Finally, reminder. All these are to be visualized clearly. Now, the process is presented to you right in front of you in a very simple form, and we have to visualize things in a nice way. Alright, the next one is going to be journey mapping. What is it? It's a very powerful tool in design thinking which is used to visualize the steps a customer or user takes in interacting with your product or service or experience. And we are going to see about that in the next session, and it's going to be super interesting. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type in the chat section. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.